How do you feel? How do you feel about women that snore? Like,
Oh, bro.
I'm talking to like a heavy snore.
Bro, listen to me. A girl that snore, she gives the best top.
Really?
Yeah, because she always got her mouth open.
Fuap, adivinen. Fuap.
Wow.
This podcast is gonna be a problem, bro.
Wow.
This
Wow.
Look, Pop Door said facts. I snore.
Wow.
Listen, girls who snore
Wow.
give the best top. It's a fact.
Wow.
If she snores a little bit, bro, she got the Guak Guak 3000.